What's up, guys? It's Cozy Classico. Oh, wait. What's up, guys? It's Cozy Classico, and I'm here with another hot unboxing video. But now I'm gonna open it up. Oh me, oh my. Check out what we got. We got us two hot items. One of them is something that I already have, and it's a black hat, and it's in plastic. Let's take it out. So what's cool about this is, since I already have one of these, this is more about like checking the consistency of the product, you know? Like, we already know what it looks like, but what if it doesn't fit as good? Then we're gonna have us an issue. All right, here's the hat, same stitching, same brand. Actually, I don't know if it might be different, to be honest. Let's compare the two. Okay, it's the same exact hat. What you can see is that this one's a little lighter, it's more faded, and this one is like darker, so that's kind of different, you know? Same color, totally different. I think that's kind of cool though. It sort of makes them individual, so every time you order it, it's gonna be different. Here's the other item. I think it's a black hoodie, but we're gonna find out. Ooh, this is not what I thought it was gonna be. So this is called the Day, Night, and Mirrors design. We got us the lovely rainbow lady on the black hoodie. The back of it, of course, smoke and mirrors, which is all about not believing everything you see, and don't listen to people on social media because they're mostly making stuff up. All right, now that the unboxing is finished, I'm gonna try on this new swag. Okay, we're gonna start with the hat. Look at that, perfect fit. Custom fit, don't even need to adjust it. It's really faded. Looks a little different than the other one. I like it, good color, very cool. Ooh, it's pretty light. Pretty lightweight. All right, y'all, thanks for watching my unboxing video. Again, this comes from my good friend Ali. He's the mind, the genius behind lust.market. Just kidding, it's just lust.market. Link below. Thanks. Hey guys, I know a lot of you are really enjoying this content, and I really enjoy making it for you. If you want to support me and my vision to become a true content creator and somebody who's really well known for it, be sure to watch my other video, and be sure to click subscribe, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Are you going to buy some of these items? Also, link in the description for where to get these later.